Hello everyone, my name is Jitu and I'm back with one more interesting design tutorial. Today we will create this cosmic card in Figma. So stay in this video till the end and don't forget to recreate and share on your social media profile. If you're not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe because I continuously share such important amazing tips regarding design and no code. So don't waste time and let's get started. So guys, let's get started and we have to achieve this cosmic card effect. So right now I'll recreate in front of you how we can exactly do it. So let's go back. First of all, take a single frame. Just add some corner radius to it. Add a color. We will use gradient. Okay, now it's done. We'll add some border to it. Let's reduce the opacity. Now next is to add some card elements, right? This is just a simple stroke. White color, let's make it reverse. Increase the corner radius. Now the next thing is to create a card, right? This is the most important one because you will see we are using this card here and this is already a component. Okay, so we'll just simply recreate this one. We'll just use some elements of this card. Let's take a frame again. It's better to take a frame as we already have the ratio of card. To reduce the stroke a little bit. Now it's fine. Add some effect to it, some dropped shadow. Add logo of MasterCard or any other logo you can use. Depends upon you. Why it's not visible? Yeah, because we have given it an overlay in the previous one. Now add the MasterCard logo, add some text like bank name or something like that, HDFC. Some card number. Now the card is ready. So we have two variants of this card. This is the first one. I can show you. This is the first one with the transparent completely, and the second one where we have variant 2 with the solid white color. So we also create a component out of this. So component 1 and component 2. In the component 1, we just have to reduce the opacity. We can add small stroke to it as well. Oh, something is here. We need to remove this. Yeah. Now what we can do is we will add some background blur effect as well. Not too much, a little bit. So we'll get this blurry background more. And go to prototype setting, connect the prototype, add the effect, mouse enter, smart animate, make it 400 ms for more smoothness, and then connect back to the mouse leave. That's all, your card is ready. Super card. Now just go to the component asset, add this card, and that's all. Now add some text to it. And now it's time to jump on the magic, which is the plugin we are going to use. So we'll use noise and texture plugin to get this background video. Okay. So just go open the plugin, go to the animate section. In animate section you will see this one. In this plugin we can just simply alter the color and make it more brighter, so we'll get exact effect what we wanted. So I like this one, I want this one. I'll just increase the speed a little bit. More speed, yeah. Now I will go to the export option. In the export option, I want 5 seconds video. I'll just export this video. It will take some time to export the video. Now the video is ready and we are exporting this and saving this to our documents. Now I have added the video to the canvas, and now the next step is just paste this video inside the card. In the background, now go to the appearance, and here we need to change this to luminosity. Now we need to change a little bit so that we'll get more brighter effect. Just change this light and change this to overlay. And look, your cosmic card is ready. Let's play on the bigger screen. If you hover, you will see the card is also changing a state. So thank you so much guys. If you feel that this is useful for you, so please do subscribe to my channel for this such amazing tutorials and the no code design tutorials as well. So in the next video, till the time, bye bye.